Hey YouTube, how you doing? Well, I decided to record this video because it kind of ties into the whole video I posted last week. This video, as you can see in the title, refrigerator tour. I've always been very interested in what fitness people buy at the grocery store. Like sometimes they put it into vlogs and sometimes they'll put it into an Instagram story or Snapchat, or it's never the full thing. So if anyone's wondering what I usually get from the grocery store, just keep watching. Let's get started. This video is going to be a vlog style video, if that's how you want to put it, because I don't really have good lighting on places I can put my camera, so here we go. This is my refrigerator. Don't mind that. I don't really eat cereal because it's a lot of sugar and it makes me break out a lot. So that's me, my family, my man. Good. So I usually get for butter Smart Balance because, you know, supports healthy cholesterol, whatever. That's In-N-Out spread. I got it the first time I had In-N-Out here. You know, electrolytes. I don't really drink that much. It's usually my man's. Apple juice. We ended up getting apple juice, but it's really sweet. So if you drink it, you have to use a lot of water. So, cream cheese. We got the sour cream. Parmesan. More Parmesan. You know, gotta get that
organic reduced fat chocolate milk.
I recently drank that and it made my stomach hurt, so I don't know how I feel about it because I used to get it, but now it gives me a tummy ache. I don't drink whole milk or 2% milk or whatever milk, so I drink almond milk or soy milk. You know, I gotta get some cuties. Got cuties and got lemons, apples, because you know an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Water, because we don't have the one that comes out of the fridge. This milk is for my mans. I don't drink whole milk. Macarons, because you know, always gotta treat yourself. They're alright, honestly. We go to Costco when we go grocery shopping and we just got these because, you know, macarons are delicious and they're alright, I guess. My favorite one is coconut. We got eggs. More eggs because, you know, Costco's wholesale. More eggs that we got right before we went grocery shopping. We got the broccoli. Broccoli. He loves these, so he bought them. And I'm not gonna lie, they're delicious. But you know, don't be eating them all the time. Know when to eat them. I love fruits, so I got raspberries, blueberries. My camera died, so let me just continue. Yeah, so fruits. I almost forgot their name. Strawberries. I got almond butter because I'm not a really big fan of peanut butter, so almond butter. We got organic zucchini noodles. I tried them yesterday for the first time. They kind of taste a bit sour for my liking, so I might put them in the freezer because they taste a little funky. I don't know if they're bad. I don't know if I eat something bad, whatever. Tofu. I don't eat tofu, but when I do, it's in miso soup, so I don't know how to make tofu, so I'm gonna probably make a video of me making tofu and probably failing at it, so let's see how that goes. Got this whole, you know, gotta get my greens in. I think they're going bad soon. So it's kale, spinach, and all that good stuff. So you gotta put this back. So the condiments, mustard, because you need mustard. Mayo, because you need mayo. Ketchup, you already know you need mayo. I mean ketchup. really big ranch because my man really likes ranch. And I got this organic organic marinara sauce, and it's pretty good. I tried it yesterday. It's not bad. So I'm a fan. Gotta put that back. Alright, so let's go to the freezer. It's really messy because it's not that big. So we have grilled chicken. I don't really like it that much, so I'm probably not gonna buy it ever again. Cauliflower rice. Let me put you on some cauliflower rice. If you don't want to eat rice or have so many carbs in your whole like day of eating or whatever, get some cauliflower rice because, you know, vegetables are good for you. And it pretty much tastes like rice. It doesn't really taste like vegetables. So I got that and more cauliflower rice. I bought this. We got acai to make some bowls. That's why I got so many fruits. We got stir fry. We got salmon. We got what is it? Organic ground beef. You know, gotta get that protein or whatever. We buy chicken tenders. Not chicken tenders, chicken tenderloins. Because, you know, it's easier to have them frozen and stuff, so you can just defrost them and not have to, like, freeze them and try to take it apart, so it's really convenient. We got mixed fruit. This is my favorite. We got Maine lobster ravioli. Get you some lobster ravioli. It's so good. Okay, let me put that right there. So we have shrimp. Got fries that we got once we moved in here. I don't really eat those that much. IKEA meatballs. They're pretty good. We got this big piece of salmon to make some poke or pokey or something. Oh my god, everything's falling. I'm such a mess. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so we got the salmon to make poke, but it's huge and we had to freeze it or else it would go bad. So we got that. We got edamame. Really good. We got edamame and we got the broccoli because when we buy this, we only eat the broccoli and the edamame and just leave the string beans, I think that's squash and carrots, because I'm not a really big fan of carrots and string beans and stuff like that, so that's a waste. So we're gonna start buying them separately. And these are just a bunch of Colombian snacks my mom brought me from Miami because I have no idea where they have Colombian restaurants around here, so gotta bring my culture. My mom freezes bread so it doesn't go bad, so she put it in here. And maracuya, which is passion fruit. It's really good. Ta-da! Alright. So, that's not a fridge, obviously, but I'm gonna, you know, show it to you anyway. So, what we have is more of the cheese Danish. Cheez-Its, because, you know, we like Cheez-Its. It's, oh my god, it's gonna fall. Multi-grain chips that are really good. Protein pancakes, which are really good and really high in protein. Chocolate lava cakes that my man put into the cart while we were shopping, but it's okay because it comes with cute little ceramic things. Some bread that he got, I don't know what type of bread that is. Fiber One bars, which tastes really good. Oats and chocolate's really good. These almond butter bars, which are alright. Oh my god, they're kind of hard, but they're pretty good. Oven roasted almonds, really good. We usually buy this, the quinoa and brown rice, but we're kind of getting tired of quinoa and brown rice, so we bought jasmine rice. Now let's go over here. Oh my god, it's really messy. I am so sorry. Got protein pasta, but I'm probably gonna get like lentil pasta or something next time we go shopping. Then we got this one. More of that sauce because you know Costco sells everything in bulk. Got granola. More bread. We got these like Mexican tortillas because there's a really good Mexican place around where we live and we're obsessed with it, so we want to make it our own. Kidney beans. I think I have black beans in there somewhere. Tuna. Sorry, this is really high and I'm on my tippy toes. Peas. More of that juice. What else do we have around here? Yeah, the Gatorade, the apple juice, my meal replacement products, more of that milk, sweet potatoes, low potatoes, arepa mix, you know what I'm talking about if you're like Venezuelan or Colombian, haha, right there. And what I cook with is avocado oil because avocado oil is good for you. Balsamic vinegar for salads, if I ever want to make salad. And then right here, everything I use to cook. This is tea. We got like pepper, lemon pepper, oregano, garlic powder, minced onions, Himalayan salt, olive oil, soy sauce, maple syrup, brown sugar, and a bunch of teas. So I'm going to end my vlog, I guess, my little video right here because I'm running out of storage and I have no more space on my camera, so I gotta wrap it up. If you like this video and you enjoy people showing you their food as much as I do, give it a like, comment if you like this video, I guess, I don't know, any video suggestions, and subscribe if you want to be updated every time I post. So until next time, YouTube, bye bye.